1888, Arles, Vincent van Gogh dreams of an artist's haven. But dreams, like minds, are fragile things.
Gagwin, the light here, it's holy. You must see it with your own eyes. The color burns like truth.
You paint with fire, Vincent. But the fire, it burns. You obsess over everything. Sunflowers, stars, even your own misery.
Because it's real. It's alive. Can't you see it?
I see a man unraveling. We need rest, not revelations.
December 23rd, 1888. In a fit of madness, Vincent van Gogh severed his ear, delivered it to a woman, then collapsed. Arles would no longer welcome him.
He's used it now, but unpredictable. I suggest long-term care.
It's not just sick. He feels suffering from the weight of everything he feels.
Ew, the world is too loud. The colors, they scream.
Then rest, Vincent. Let someone take care of you for once.
I am here when the words stop making sense. I am your truth when others seems madness.
May 1889, Saint Remy de Provence. Vincent van Gogh plagues illness and isolation, seeks refuge in the rhythms of brush and color. From the walls of the asylum, he will give birth to the sky.
The sky, it moves, it dances. The night is not dark, it sings. I must show them. Show Theo, show the world. They think I see too much, but they do not see enough.
Dear Theo, I feel a great calmness here. The cypresses are dark flames in the field. The night sky, how I wish you could use it.
Vincent, I've seen your work. It's passionate, but obsession can harm your mind.
Then let the obsession burn. It is the only thing keeping me alive.
Tell me, Vincent, what do you see in the night sky?
A world beyond the veil, a rhythm of eternity. Earth of fire, calm and storm, beauty and pain. I see myself reflected on it.
Then paint it, Vincent, but don't lose yourself in it.
Stars, the moon, the village is below. The sky is yours, Vincent.
This will outlive me. This will be my truth.
Action.
They called you mad, but someday they will call you master.
It is not for me, but let the stars remember it kindly.
He died with little fame, but he gave the world his soul, one brushstroke at a time. And beneath the starry night, Vincent still speaks.